What's up, viewers? Welcome to the channel. In today's episode, we want to look at one of our favorite stocks, ticker symbol ZIM, ZIM Integrated Shipping Services. If you look at the chart here, you will see that the value of ZIM has gone up and down. But what is interesting, and this is the reason why we're excited about this stock, is the dividend payout. And so what we want to look at is what would have happened if you had invested in ZIM on the 2nd of January 2022 up until now. All right, let's get it. So if you had invested in ticker symbol ZIM in January 2022, specifically January the 2nd, you would have paid about $59 for one share of ZIM. Over the course of 2022, ticker symbol ZIM has risen as high as $88. This was towards the end of March 2022. Since then, we've seen a sharp decline in the value of ZIM, and as at today, the 7th of December 2022, ZIM is trading for $19.20. And so if we look at the analysis on the right-hand side of the screen, what you realize is that the gain is actually negative. You would have lost about $39.80 in your investment value, which represents a drop of 67.46%. The reality is that this has been the trend for the market as a whole in 2022. And as you can see with the SPY, which is an ETF that reflects the largest 500 companies in the US stock market, we've seen a significant drop in values. The opportunity with ZIM is with the dividend payouts. So let's look at what you would have made if you had invested in ticker symbol ZIM, ZIM Integrated Shipping Services, on the 2nd of January 2022. So as we've mentioned, you would have paid $59 per share. However, in March 2022, you would have received a whopping dividend of $17. And we can see that here. They paid out $17 on the 22nd of March 2022. And on the 22nd of May 2022, they paid out another $2.85 in dividend. On the 21st of August 2022, a $4.75 dividend was paid out per share. And finally, on the 28th of November 2022, the dividend payout was $2.95. And so the total dividend payouts for 2022 has been $27.55, which represents a return on the $59 investment of 46.69%. That means that you would have recouped almost half of your investments within the year 2022. If they continue at this rate, it means that by the end of 2023, your investment in ticker symbol ZIM would be fully recouped. And from 2024 onwards, you should be seeing pure profit. This doesn't take into consideration the potential of you reinvesting the dividend payouts to buy more of ticker symbol ZIM. If you do that, what you're effectively doing is increasing your dividend returns because you will be buying ticker symbol ZIM at a lower cost, and you will be doing something called dollar cost averaging, which means you are effectively reducing your cost of acquisition of the shares. And that means that your 100% returns on ticker symbol ZIM could be achieved somewhere in the middle or towards the end of 2023. And so That is a good way to invest in a market that we have seen so far this year that has been largely a declining value market. And this is the reason why sometimes it's worth giving consideration to dividend payouts as a criteria for your investing decision. That being said, dividend payouts are not guaranteed, just the same way as price appreciation of the shares are not guaranteed. But if you have a company that has historically been able to pay significant dividends, that is a good indication that you will continue to see dividends from them. In the description below, we will leave a link to a video that was done previously on this channel where we talked about some high paying dividend stocks that you might want to give consideration to. That's our video for today. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. And if you're subscribing, please hit that notification bell so you get to see new content as soon as they're uploaded to this channel. And if you like what you've heard, hit the like button as well so the YouTube algorithm can help us spread the word, and share with those who you think would love to see content like this on your social feed. You can also check us out on Instagram and Twitter. See you on the next episode. Take care.